Hey everyone, welcome to Mobile Made YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to write your first Python program on your mobile phone, no laptop needed. So first thing you have to do is to install your Pydroid 3 from your Google Play Store. Then once you've installed it, then you are going to see a text editor like this. Then you type this line of code you see. This little line is the most famous program. So once you've typed it, then click on the play button. Then once you click it, then you are going to get the display hello world. So what does this line of code does? This line of code tells Python to print out the word hello world. So the print function here tells Python to display the word hello world. So this may look simple, but this is how you write your first program. And congratulations if you are able to run this code, because you are officially now a Python programmer. So subsequently I'm going to be showing you some cool stuff, some exciting stuff with Python just on your mobile phone. Stick around. We are going to be building some websites. We are going to be working with some data, machine learning, and some exciting stuff like automation on Python just using your mobile phone. So support the channel by liking this video, subscribe to join the Mobile Made community, and leave a comment. Thank you so much.